Good morning, students. Our new topic is project monitoring or monitoring the project environment. So, project monitoring is as important as planning of a project and its control. It is an integral part of project management. It provides an understanding of the progress of the project so that appropriate corrective actions can be taken when the performance deviates significantly from the planned part. जो भी हमारे प्रोजेक्ट के ऑब्जेक्टिव्स होते हैं उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम टाइम पे over the period of the project we just check whether we are going on the right track or not. So whenever there is some deviations from the actual path, that has to be corrected. And that is the main purpose of project monitoring. It consists of regular systematic collection and analysis of information to track the progress of any project. So it is the prerequisite of a project implementation process. It involves the following steps, which are first of all studying the project, its schedule and cost. So these are three main important things. First is the schedule of the project, its cost and budget. And third, achievement of its objective that has to be monitored. Second, selection of the parameters to be monitored. Selection of the frequency of reporting and its format. Collection of data for the parameters being monitored. Analysis of data by using appropriate monitoring technique. Presentation of the analyzed data and reporting it to the management, and at last review of the presented data by the management for decision making. So first step was discussed. Then the second step, we select some parameters such as the quality of product, that may be a parameter, timely completion, resource management, all these things. So all these steps we will cover in our next lecture. First two things has to be taken into consideration while discussing this particular lecture. So effective monitoring of the project is a critical element for a good project management. It supports informed and timely decision making by the management and provides accountability for achieving the results. It is a key part of project management cycle also, as we have discussed that the project management cycle itself considers the four phases, that is the project planning or the conceptualization and formulation phase of the project. Secondly, it involves the further specification of and detailing of the uh, project which we have planned, its designing, and thirdly its implementation, monitoring, and then its control, and finally its termination. So project monitoring is a very important phase of a project management life cycle. It is to be built into the project at the planning stage. It is not an add-on tool which can be used during the midway of the project implementation. On the other hand, it is to be woven throughout the project. Project monitoring clarifies project objectives. It links the activities and other resources to the objectives of the project. It translates objective into its performance indicators or the parameters which we have set as a benchmark for for evaluating the performance of a particular project, and sets target, routinely collecting the data on their indicators, comparing actual results with the targets, and reports progress of the management and alerts the management about the problems which frequently gets cropped up during the implementation of the project. So what happens is sometimes whatever we plan and we think that it should be implemented in such a detail, but when we are going to implement and do the and actually we carry out the project, so we sometimes skip some of the steps which should not be there, and there should be no shortcut or any shortcut key for doing a project, because when we take some shortcuts or skip some of the preceding steps, this may be dangerous for our project. So because we have to achieve all the objectives which have been set for which we are doing that particular project, so that has to be monitored carefully, that has to be implemented carefully. मॉनिटरिंग में हम यही देखेंगे कि जो प्रोजेक्ट का इम्प्लीमेंटेशन हो रहा है वो इस तरह से होना चाहिए कि जो हमारे प्रोजेक्ट के ऑब्जेक्टिव्स है, जो हमने प्लानिंग करी है, दैट शुड बी अचीव्ड, वो सारे रिजल्ट्स जो टारगेट्स हमें फुलफिल करने हैं, दैट हैज टू बी देयर, वो होने ही चाहिए. इट प्रोवाइड्स इंफॉर्मेशन टू द मैनेजमेंट वेदर द प्रोजेक्ट इज प्रोसीडिंग as per schedule relative to the targets, or there is a time overrun in the project implementation. Time is also a very important part because we have already discussed कि project एक time bounded activity होती है. जब तक वो proper time पर finish नहीं होगा, अगर time exceed कर रहा है हर activity का, तो overall project हमारा delay हो जाएगा. तो timely completion भी एक characteristic है good project management key. It also focuses in particular on the efficiency and the use of resources, so there should be optimum use of all the project resources also. It provides support to the management in its efforts to complete the project in time and within the budget also. The project monitoring activity take place in parallel with the project execution activity. जहाँ जहाँ पर project का execution हो रहा है, implementation हो रहा है, उसके साथ ही साथ project monitoring की activity भी होती है. क्योंकि जहाँ पर जब इम्प्लीमेंटेशन होगा तभी हम उसको मॉनिटर कर सकते हैं, वॉच कर सकते हैं कि वेदर वी आर गोइंग ऑन द राइट ट्रैक, सब कुछ ठीक से हो रहा है अदरवाइज या नहीं हो रहा है. So while the project work is being executed, the project is being monitored by implementing the appropriate level of oversight for the purpose of midway corrective actions. High quality monitoring of the project progress encourage the timely decision making, ensures the project accountability, and provides a robust foundation for successful completion of the project. It is through the continuous monitoring of the project performance that the management has an opportunity to learn about what is working well and where they are lagging behind, or otherwise they are so fast, they are leading forward somewhere. So lagging behind should not be there, because we have to uh, finish all the things on time. And what challenges are arising? Now, there are some general aspects of project monitoring. As the project monitoring provides opportunity at regular predetermined points to validate the logical progress of the project, its activities and their implementation, and to make adjustments as needed. Good planning and designs alone do not ensure the results in the execution of the project. So we need to monitor it carefully. Progress towards achieving results need to be monitored. Equally, no amount of good monitoring alone can correct the poor project design, planning and results. जितना कि प्रोजेक्ट प्लानिंग के बाद मॉनिटरिंग इम्पॉर्टेंट है, उतना ही इम्पॉर्टेंट है कि हम एक प्रोजेक्ट को प्रॉपरली प्लान आउट करें. अगर सपोज we have not planned it well and our project objectives or the goals are not realistic one, and then we do a proper monitoring and control of the project, that will also not work. So the first thing is the project planning. So it depends upon the efficiency and effectiveness concept actually. So if we are efficient enough but we have not planned well, so it will not be effective. Information from monitoring needs to be used to encourage the improvement or reinforce plans. Information from systematic monitoring also provides the critical inputs for project evaluation. It is very difficult to evaluate a project progress which is not well designed and which is not systematically monitored.
So both the things are important and goes hand in hand. If a project is not planned well, तो केवल मॉनिटरिंग भी वर्क नहीं करेगी. अगर प्लानिंग बहुत अच्छी है, उसके बाद अगर हम प्रॉपर मॉनिटरिंग नहीं करें प्रोजेक्ट इम्प्लीमेंटेशन के टाइम पर, तो प्रोजेक्ट ठीक से इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं होगा, उतना इफेक्टिव नहीं होगा जितना कि वो जिस पर्पस के लिए वो बनाया गया है. Project monitoring provides records of activities and results and signals the problem to be remedied along with the way. It is normally prescriptive in nature and does not explain why a particular problem has arisen or why a particular outcome has occurred or failed to occur. It helps the management for the fine tuning of the implementation activities, reorientation of the project implementation by making appropriate changes in future planning. Without effective monitoring, it is normally impossible to judge if work is going in the right direction, whether progress and success can be claimed, and how further efforts can be improved. So that's it about today's lecture, students. In the next lecture, we will discuss all these steps of project monitoring in detail. Thank you very much for listening.